Another quick video. This is the Three Dogs Brewery that's next to the Brookside Milk and Cream, and I went ahead and got this one painted and weathered and did the sign on the computer. The Three Dogs are dogs that we've had in the past that were pretty big dogs that lived a long time, and so they were really close members of the family. So that was one of the reasons why I added it in like this. So the two little pieces of clip art on the end, the bottles with the glasses on, I got those off the web. The dog houses also came off the web, and then I added the names of the three pets. And here on the docks, a couple of workers. There's some beer ready to go, and there's another guy over here bringing something here. There is another one here on the back standing on the porch, and I went ahead and weathered everything. There's metal roof there. There's some there. There's another in the back, and once again I used the brush on Testors Dullcote and some of the Tamiya weathering powders, and I think it come out pretty decently. I mean, I'm an old guy, so my eyes aren't as good as some of you young guys and girls that do watch my videos. But anyway, and I had a couple of these I don't know if they're water tanks or what, but I says, well, let's put some beer storage there off on one side. So that's what they're there for. But anyway, that's where this one is, and we'll move on to the next project building as I'll move over here, and that's the Union Ice, and I'll take that into the house and start working on that one. Yeah, I just wanted to get some of these buildings done. I've got so many that need painting that, I mean, it's going to take me 20 years to do them all, because each one takes, several days to do. So, but anyway, there's the two buildings that are done for now, and I may move on to something else later on after I get them all done here in the San Angelo or Lawrence, Kansas equivalent station. So anyway, thanks for watching. Bye for now. Bye. So here we are back at San Angelo or Lawrence, Kansas. And what I've done is I went ahead and finished the ice plant. Now, in the meantime, City Ice bought Union Ice, which used to be here, and they've put their logos on it. So this is now City Ice, the same company that runs the big plant in Union Station. So, but anyway, I've got my workers on there. Those are 3D printed ice blocks. That's the only thing that's 3D printed with this model. Got a rusty tin roof, and all the guys are there, and then here's a couple of guys pulling them out of the doors and moving them around. And so anyway, that's what this one looks like. So that kind of sort of finishes some of these industries for the time being that are up in this area. And here's another shot from that side. It's a little nastier looking on that side. You can see the famous City Ice logo and the Iceman that's dropping some ice cubes. And but anyway, that's where that is, and the station is about done. I still got to put some people out there and out on the platform. I've been digging through the people today, and there's the meadow gold sign on top of the Brookside Milk and Cream, and then here's the Three Dogs Brewery, and I also have a guy, and I didn't bring him out because I got to glue him down. I found a figure that's actually rolling a keg of beer that I'll put over here someplace. So, but that's got to go to a train show in Temple this weekend. So, but anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.